gotta be 100 miles an hour when I get it running.
FYI, I don't have a title.
With the bolt cutters. It's my life.
He's chilling, dude.
Some money, cause like I said, it got posted for $1,000. I haven't seen one posted even that low since I started this 300 swap. This is the lowest I've seen one posted.
Yeah.
And the guy's picture profile. Obviously.
Is it a fake profile?
No, but he's kind of sketch looking.
But it's a real profile?
Yeah, Facebook market.
Okay.
Doesn't have a plate on the bike. It looks like it's been laid down and fucked up.
Oh, it's perfect. Yeah.
He said somebody's started to cut the wiring because that's what tweakers do. They cut shit.
Yeah.
But it is an F version, and he's advertising it as a CBR. It's a CB300F. Now, on the Grom 300 swap, I've been doing research. I need the 300F harness and that cluster. That cluster is direct bolted for my Grom, but the red line's $12,000.
Yeah.
For the 300 swap. So it's actually perfect that it's not a CBR because I need the F for the harness and the cluster.
So you probably found the right bike that you need.
Exactly. I found the perfect bike that I need.
In my pocket, I'm looking for a comer. This is fucking awesome. I got a big cock.
No worries. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do.
Nope. Full send. There it is.
Good job, Dolly.
Thanks so much for the smooth transaction, man.
All right, let's see it. I hope it does.
Hey, cute puppy, by the way.
Man, as is, I get it. I'm just saying, no fucking key. I find the ignition where the battery's supposed to be. Cut fucking wires, like, come on, bro.
He broke into
You're not gonna get an abandoned title on a stolen motorcycle, I promise you that.
Yeah, no one's buying that. It's got no levers.
No. It has no clutch, it has no fucking brake. It has nothing left of the fucking thing. The motor's good.
We got the Honda going for us.
I'll have to mark cam in it before I even install it in Grom. Because once it's installed in the Grom, it's never coming out again. I already know that.
If I said it, then nigga, I said it. You know I rock, you know I rock. Big money, yeah, I get it a lot. Cut her off, she was moving too hot. Louis V from my head and my socks. Side, gon' change the aroma. So spicy, now he in a coma. Like a laptop, these niggas be.
We're coming last for you!
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.